This is not a substitute for professional help, and thank you for not suing me. Hello, and welcome to another mindful tidbit to help you take your attention back. I'm Asher. I'm an expert at existing. Today's tidbit, I'm just hanging out and creating a safe space for you to do the same in your short form video social internet. I'm just going to share a quote from the late Thich Nhat Hanh. If you miss the present moment, you miss your appointment with life. It's so clear. Mindfulness is the energy and practice that helps you go back to the here and now, so that you encounter life. Whew. Thank you for giving me some of your attention, and take care with the rest of it.